Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now for convenience is exactly 19 minutes past the hour of 7 in the evening. And the date today is April 1, 2017.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened as a sudden brake may cause you to fall. Do not stand and do not open stowage bins. You may only retrieve your hand-carried items when the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are off. Take precaution when opening the overhead stowage bins, as the items might fall and injure you or the passenger seated next to you. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions on our website, philippineairlines.com. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Mga binibini, ginang at ginoo, kalalapag lamang natin. Manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelt. Huwag munang tumayo at magbukas ng storage bins. Maaari lamang kunin ang mga hand carry kapag ang eroplano ay ganap nang nakahinto at ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Mag-ingat sa pagbukas ng storage bins at sa pagkuha ng gamit upang maiwasan ang pagkahulog ng mga ito sa inyo at sa inyong mga katabi. Siguruhin lamang na dala ninyo ang lahat ng inyong mga gamit bago bumaba ng eroplano. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon tungkol sa aming mga fares at latest promotions, bumisita sa aming website, philippineairlines.com. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Mabuhay!
On behalf of Captain Masicapo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. The heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.